Welcome to Health and Wellness for You and Your, and Trey Cooks. Today we're going to be showing you the right way to cut a pineapple with a knife. Let's get cooking. Our first task is to break off the pineapple crown. What is your all-time favorite fruit, and do you have any special memories associated with eating it? Leave a comment and let me know. And next we're going to wash our pineapple with a little bit of dishwashing detergent and a brush that we only use for scrubbing fruits and vegetables. And just like in our other videos, we're going to speed up the video a little bit. Do you remember the first time you tried your favorite fruit? Who were with you and where were you? I'm going to be showing you two options to cut your pineapple, and this is the first. Now it's time to begin cutting our pineapple. First, I will cut the top and then the bottom and then the sides. I'll clean up the sides a little bit to make sure there's no dark spots, and then I will cut out the middle. Pineapple is used in many cooked and baked dishes, including pineapple upside down cake, Hawaiian pizza, sweet and sour chicken, pineapple fried rice, grilled pineapples, pineapple salsa, pineapple glazed ham, pineapple coconut bread, pineapple teriyaki chicken, pineapple coconut cake, pineapple curry, pineapple chutney, pineapple smoothies, pineapple coleslaw, and pineapple rum cake, just to name a few. What are some of the ways you love to cook or bake with pineapple? I love pineapple smoothies. I love to add pineapple to my stir fry. And I love to eat pineapple by itself. I think it's one of the sweetest fruits on the planet Earth. I'm going to use a different knife to cut out the middle because it has a point at the tip and it is a little bit smaller. Works much better. While doing this process, your hands can get very slippery from the pineapple juice. So be very careful during this process and using the knife to cut the pineapple. After we cut around the top and then cut around the bottom, the center of the pineapple pops right out. Now that we have the pineapple center removed, all we have left is to cut the pineapple into little itsy bitsy pieces. Next, I will list a few fun nutritional facts for eating pineapple. Pineapple is high in vitamin C. Pineapple is a good source of dietary fiber, packed with antioxidants, has a low glycemic index. Despite its sweetness, it won't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. Pineapple has hydration properties. With a water content of about 86%, pineapple contributes to your daily hydration needs, supporting overall health and well-being. Pineapple has immune boosting abilities. Pineapple has potential anti-inflammatory effects. It's naturally sweet. It promotes healthy skin. It's rich in minerals like copper, potassium, manganese, calcium, phosphorus, which are vital for various bodily functions. Pineapple is cholesterol free. It's versatile and delicious. It contributes to a balanced diet. It supports bone health because it's high in calcium and phosphorus. Pineapple may aid in weight loss. It boosts eye health. Pineapple is refreshing and energizing. Next, I'm going to show you the second option for cutting your pineapple. Have you ever tried a fruit from another country that blew your mind? For example, have you tasted mangosteen from Southeast Asia, known for its sweet and tangy flavor, or dragon fruit from Vietnam, with its vibrant pink skin and refreshing taste? Okay, now this is where the difference is in option number 2. It's a little bit quicker and easier. I'm cutting the pineapple in half. I'm making V-shaped slices around the core, and then I'm pulling out the core in both sections of the pineapple. Like I said, quick, simple, and easy. Do you have a tradition of eating certain fruits with your loved ones during holidays or special occasions? What are the fruits and what makes it so special? Thank you for sharing your comments. Another question for you. What fruit do you associate with your childhood, and why does it bring back fond memories? Leave a comment and let me know. Can't wait to hear your story. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That was the proper way to cut a pineapple with a knife. Thank you for watching another episode of Trey Cooks. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit your notifications so you can see our future videos. And be sure to check out our community page because there's quizzes and polls on there that you will simply love. Have a wonderful, glorious, blessed day full of joy, happiness, peace, light, and most importantly of all, love. Nice and sweet.